everybody, it's me, Carrie Beglow, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, here live in front of my new classroom location, right here at Life in the Classroom. Let's go inside. Thank you. I was assisted by the lovely owner, Kimberly. So we're going to go inside. This is right at the corner of Farmington Road and 12 Mile. If you're familiar with the Farmington Hills area, look at this cool store. She has stuff for sale here. Amazing artisan work on this side. But what are we going to talk about? Well, let's talk about where I'm going to be. Now, it's not really set up yet for my classes, but you can see my signs are in the back here that I showed you earlier. She's going to hang those up for me. And then she's got tables. Now, don't be discouraged by only seeing 3 seats at this table. She has informed me that I can put as many as 20 people in a class. How exciting is that? I haven't done a live event since before the pandemic, so I'm excited to see my local peeps. Say hello. The first class is going to be on August 20th at 10 a.m. 4 cards for $10. Message me. Oh yeah, four cards for $20. Thank you very much, Kimberly. That could be a problem. Say hi, Kimberly. This is the awesome owner.
Hello.
It's a brilliant idea, and just FYI, although I want you to come to my classes, she does have a lot more. She has weaving back here. She has quilting back there. Just a ton of different cool ideas here at Life in the Classroom. So sign up for classes because I'm excited. Again, I'm going to be doing 2 a month, but starting in August for the very first one will be on the 20th. 4 cards, $20. See you guys. Bye.